DELICIOUSNESS with Cooking Couture Atlanta, where cooking is sexy. Okay, here we go. We're ready to start this whole let's make a steak thing. And I am going to rinse off. Uh-oh, let's get this gas popping. Ooh, shit. Okay. I'm gonna rinse this steak off. I'm gonna put a little butter in the skillet first. I'm gonna put the butter, cut up these onions and peppers, and throw this rosemary and stuff all in the skillet, and then season up this steak and throw it in also. Okay, well, if you know anything about me, you know that I'm dying that I can't turn Beyonce on, because I really like to cook to the B. So let me see. Can you see that? I put the butter pads in there, and then I'm gonna rinse off this steak. I'm gonna put some rosemary in here. Yeah, that's rosemary. Put these onions all in here. One thing I do like about keto is I can cook with butter. These peppers are really good for you too. Alright. I'm gonna throw these peppers in. Just gonna squeeze a little bit of this garlic paste in here. Squeeze a little bit of that in there. Love me some black pepper. Let's put some black pepper on this steak. And then we're going to put a little garlic on it. Then we're going to put this nice piece of ribeye in here. Yes. Then I can put the top on it and let it smother. I'm thinking about throwing some Brussels sprouts in with this. Let's see how that. See if I can cook it all together. Yeah, that looks good.
Everything was smelling so fabulous. The aroma overtook the kitchen. I decided to add Brussels sprouts to this one skillet masterpiece.
These don't need to be calibrated. This is my steak. Let me stick it in. And let's see what our temperature gets to. About 135 in the center is my warm pin center. Alright, so that's cool. That means that I'm still good. Flip that. It's looking good. I'm excited about these Brussels sprouts I threw in here so that they can get some of that garlic and rosemary goodness. So I'll just take a few more minutes.
Yes, a perfect medium ribeye steak with these sautéed onions, Brussels sprouts, and peppers.
Ooh, like, subscribe, and share. Let's make it happen.